In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your design in the right file format. Once you've finished working on your design and you're ready to save it to your device, start by opening the design you want to export. Make sure everything looks exactly the way you want before downloading, because this is the version that will be saved and shared. It's always a good idea to quickly review the layout, images, text, and spacing so you don't have to come back and make corrections later. When you're ready, go to the top area of the screen and click Share. This is where you'll find several options related to sending, publishing, or saving your work. From the Share menu, look for the Download option and click it. This opens the download settings, where you can choose how your design will be exported. Next, choose the file type that best matches what you need. You'll usually see options like PNG, PDF, or JPG. PNG is a great choice if you want a high-quality image with crisp detail, especially for graphics or designs that need a clean look. JPG is often better for smaller file sizes and works well for general image sharing. PDF is ideal if you want a format that keeps your design layout consistent, especially for printing or professional documents. Taking a moment to choose the correct file type can make a big difference depending on how you plan to use the design afterward. After selecting the file type, check the quality options. These settings help control the final output of your file. Higher quality usually gives you a sharper, more polished result, which is useful for printing or presentations. Lower quality may create a smaller file size, which can be helpful if you need to upload or send the file quickly. Choose the option that makes the most sense for your purpose, balancing appearance and file size. Once everything looks right, press Download. The platform will begin preparing your file, and depending on the size and complexity of the design, this may take a few moments. After that, the file should save to your device automatically, or you may be prompted to choose a location. And that's it. By going to your design, clicking Share, opening the download